are going to do some experiments based on chapter 2, Essence of Change. Friends, what changes that heat makes on the solid form of water? Yes, let's find through this experiment. Materials required for this experiment: some ice cubes, lighter, candle and bowl. Friends, let's start the experiment. First we put some ice cubes in this bowl. Okay. Then we light this candle. Okay. Next we hold this bowl top of this candle. Wait some times. Then we cover this bowl using plate. Wait some time. Friends, water further absorb heat energy and get converted into steam. Leave this bowl and water to cool. Friends, when heat energy is further lost, the water gets changed into ice. Friends, the ice melted and changed into water on heating. The water changed into water vapor on further heating. When the bowl got cooled, water droplets were found on the inner part of the plate.